Hey everybody, so we want to give you a bit more information on PDF pages, your marketing pages that you can preload into Sumo Code. So I'm going to start here by going into create new report, and I'm going to go down to add a custom page here. This is one of the most underutilized features, and yet it's really powerful and it's really cool, the different marketing pages you can do and quickly add depending on what is interesting to a homeowner, what matters to them. So as you can see in here, I've already preloaded a bunch of marketing pages. So I've got a page on a referral program, a financing program, certifications and testimonials. Here's how we're managing COVID-19 safely, product options. So there's a bunch of stuff I've loaded in here. Now, I want to walk you through the different categories we have here. So we've got my PDFs. These are PDFs that are just saved for myself. We've got shared PDFs, and these are PDFs that as an administrator, I've loaded for all of my users to have access to. So all of my users will have access to the same shared PDFs on here. We've got single use PDFs, i.e. this is a PDF that you load in here just for one time. So it might be an EagleView cover page or an Xactimate report, something that's applicable only for this specific homeowner or project. And then we've got additional text page. So going through these in order, my PDFs, under my name up here, I can add to my PDF list right here. That's where I would go in and add to that. Under shared PDFs, I would go in as an administrator under configuration and I would add to shared PDFs here. Single use PDFs. Now this is something I mentioned. If I click on here, let's say we're doing a contingency agreement or maybe we're in the next step with a client and I'm actually going to load in typically not a full approved Xactimate report or an approved insurance report, but I'll try and take out the 3 pages that have the line items. And then I'll include that as a part of my presentation here. So as a part of the contract that I'm creating for the client. The other thing I can do in here is maybe just drop in an EagleView cover page. Interesting to be able to show them their place, show them that you've, hey, you're not going to be one of these contractors coming in and asking for money halfway through the job. You went through and professionally got this thing measured. You know exactly how big the roof is. There's lots of different uses for that. Now the text page, this is something where it gives you just it's like another introduction page, but it's any text that you want to add in there. So one of the things I've seen, and I'm going to go up to the configuration here and to my default layout. Maybe if you do both residential and commercial jobs, maybe you want to actually add this to your default layout so that it shows up every time. So I'm going to add a custom page here, and I'm going to make it a text page, and I'm going to put in some editable terms and conditions. And maybe this is my this is going to be something that maybe my residential terms and conditions are saved as my standard lock terms and conditions, but my commercial I want to be more editable. So I create this, I'm going to toggle this off, and I'm going to publish this for all of my users. So this will be the new default layout for all of my users when they create a report. So let's go back here quickly. And now I'm going to click to create new report. And now you can see I've got my commercial terms page on down here. And so people can come in here then and add in and edit a couple of line items, whether it's a payment plan, whether it's homeowner information, whether it's their claim number or policy number, anything that where you might want to have it editable in there. You can preload that to have that as a custom page that's always in your report when you start on there as well. So you've got some really nice options in adding custom pages. We are happy to make recommendations if you're looking for a marketing company to build some custom marketing pages for you. Again, just reach out to us at hello@sumocode.com and we'll make sure we get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks so much, and we're looking forward to talking to you guys soon.